Got the Commencal Meta AM29er. Got a Fox Factory suspension. Got a Dior XT brakes. Got a one-up pedals. Shimano bottom bracket and crankset. GX Eagle. The fuck this is called? Cassette and shifting system. So I got the derailleur and the shifter. Some ergon grips on there. Float X2. Factory 36 grip 2 damper in the front. Got a one-up 180mm dropper on E13 wheels, E13 bar, E13 stem. Got some shitty Schwalbe tires here I gotta swap out. Also got some one-up pedals, the composites. They work really well for me. Never broken a pair, so that should say something. I had lots of pedal strikes. Definitely worth it for only like 70 bucks. Quality. The Kashima coating. Ooh. Yeah, I love that shit. 180mm rotors. Might upgrade to 200mm. Bike just fell down and bent the fucking front brake, so it's got that super good grip. Finger will never slide off it now, I guess. Cool. Still messing around with the shock, seeing what works for me. Love the suspension system on this bike. It's absolutely insane. Yeah. Can't go wrong with the Fox Factory, I gotta say. Little fucking bash guard there, which helps. It's pretty sick mud guard. Ride wrap since day one, which is definitely good. E13. These bad boys. Yeah, literally no tread on these. More so in the front. So yeah, definitely got some Maxxis, some downhill front and downhill rear tires. Gonna swap over, put those on today. Yeah, and this nice little bay here in Victoria, BC. Nothing like it. Oh yeah. So yeah, that concludes the bike check. So this is what I'll be riding from now on instead of the YT Capra. So happy to finally upgrade after 2.5 years riding the Capra. Yeah, this should be good for the trails here as well. Also be really good for shredding A-line laps because, you know, it's a large frame 29er as opposed to my medium 27.5 wheeled Capra. So, boy, I'm just excited to get to know this bike better.